Hello everyone, welcome to Biological Sciences. This video is a quiz video which is related to the upcoming exam CUET 2022. Here I have bring you some questions related to biology and biotechnology. So here is our first question.
So the question is, what are the products of ecosystem processes called? You can tell me what is ecosystem processes. You can say carbon cycle, right? So you can say carbon cycle or some nitrogen cycle. These are ecosystem processes. Okay. Phosphorus cycle, right? So we have to tell what are the products. That means whatever we get from these processes, what they are called. So these are called, so these are the options: food chain, carbon cycle, or ecosystem services, or hierarchical succession. So the answer is ecosystem services, right? Next question is, now the question is, which one of the following is the terrestrial ecosystem? So there are two types of ecosystem. First is the terrestrial, and the other one is the first one is terrestrial and the other one is aquatic. And terrestrial is for land and aquatic is for water. Now we can see the options. So the option is A, forest, B, pond, C, lake, D, river. So you know that aquatic is for water, right? And terrestrial one is for land. So here there is only one ecosystem which is on land, that is the forest. So the correct answer is forest, right? Next question. What kind of ecosystems are ponds, lakes, rivers, and estuaries? In the previous slide, we have discussed about this, that all the aquatic ecosystem are based on water ecosystem, right? So ponds, lakes, and river and estuaries are all the ecosystems which are in water. So these are aquatic ecosystem. Next is, what is the vertical distribution of species occupying different levels? So we have to tell the name of, or what it is called when the vertical distribution of species occur and it occupies the different levels. So the options are production, stratification, decomposition, consumption. So in for when we talk about the distribution of species vertically and occupying different levels, the different levels are called the strata, and that is known as stratification. So the correct answer is stratification. Next is amount of biomass or organic matter produced per unit area over a time period by plants during photosynthesis. So we have to tell what it is called. So it is called primary production, secondary production, productivity, or gross primary productivity. So we are talking about photosynthesis directly through the plants. The biomass, the amount of biomass or organic matter when produced by the plants is the primary production. We call it what? We call it primary production. Right? The correct answer is primary production. Next is rate of biomass production. What it is called? In the last slide, we were talking about the amount of biomass produced during photosynthesis by plants. Now we are talking about the rate, how in what rate the biomass is produced and what it is called. So the answer is primary productivity, gross primary productivity, net primary productivity, or secondary productivity. So the answer is primary productivity. Correct? Primary productivity is the rate of biomass production. Now the question is, process of breakdown of organic matter into inorganic substances like carbon dioxide, water and nutrients. So we have to tell them what is that process is called when the organic matter is converted into inorganic matter. So this is called decomposition or catabolism or humidification or mineralization. The correct answer of this process when the organic matter converts into the inorganic matter is called decomposition. The correct answer is decomposition. Okay. Next question. The species that invade a bare area, what these species are called? Were they called biological species, taxonomic species, pioneer species, or endemic species? The correct answer is pioneer species. Pioneer species are those species that invade a bare area. Next, the entire sequence of communities that successfully change in a given area. So we have to tell what is that sequence called of communities that successively change in a given area. Whether it is hydrax succession, climax community, ecological succession, or series. The correct answer is series. We are talking about the sequence. We are talking about the entire sequence of communities that are successively change in a given area. So the correct answer is series. Right? Series is the correct answer. Next, succession of plants. We are talking about succession of plants. Succession of plants progress from hydric. Hydric means water, and two mesic conditions. We are talking about succession of plants from water to the mesic condition, and what it is called hydrax succession, xerac succession, mesic succession, or series. So the correct answer is hydrax succession, because from hydric it is converted to mesic. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept. I hope these questions help you in your exam, and if you like our video, so please subscribe to our channel, please like our videos, and please share these videos with your friends if you really want to help them, and if you really want your and others exams to be successful. So thank you.